Hi there, Stan Tatkin again. I'm going to answer some questions that were posed to me, starting with number one. What do people misunderstand about desire after betrayal? Well, most people think desire disappears because of hurt feelings. That's actually not what's happening. After betrayal, the body reorganizes around threat. The nervous system is scanning, not relaxing. And you can't have desire in a body that feels unsafe. So the shutdown of sexuality isn't avoidance. It's actually adaptive. Now, this doesn't mean that desire is gone forever. If the couple does the work correctly, the safety is rebuilt in a real, consistent way. The system can reorganize again, this time toward connection and openness. So desire can return, but only after safety is restored, not before. How can infidelity act as a turning point in someone's erotic identity? This is question number two. Well, infidelity doesn't automatically create growth. It forces reorganization. Before betrayal, eroticism is based on trust and some degree of surrender. After the betrayal, that shifts. The body moves towards control, vigilance, and self-protection. So erotic identity changes. Some people shut down. Others become performative or compulsive. Now, this reorganization can go in different directions. If the process isn't handled well, people stay organized around threat. But if the partner who caused the betrayal in the first place takes full responsibility and the couple does the work correctly, that disruption can lead to greater complexity, greater awareness, and a more intentional erotic life. So growth is actually possible, but it has to be earned. Okay, lastly, number three, what gets in the way of people allowing their erotic selves to evolve? Well, what gets in the way is unresolved threat. After betrayal, the brain is trying to prevent further harm. That means there's going to be more control, more prediction, and definitely more vigilance. But eroticism requires the opposite. It requires risk and uncertainty and surrender. So if the system doesn't feel safe, there can be no real evolution. There's only adaptation to danger. Now, if safety is rebuilt over time and the couple learns to regulate together, then that same system can begin to open again. And that's where evolution actually becomes possible. But without safety, there is no transformation, only protection. Thank you.